Are we rolling? Okay, good deal. Welcome to Johnston Motors. I'm going to do a short walk around video of this 1999 TJ Jeep Wrangler Sahara in desert. See if I can remember this color here. Desert Sand Metallic Pearl Coat is the color. Basically gold. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys. I'm super proud of this Jeep. Love this Jeep. I actually consider just keeping it for myself. We don't see stuff like this that often. You know, occasionally clean, lower mileage stuff will come in, but yeah, this one's kind of a special one. I don't know why. I just have a special place in my heart for the earlier TJs. They're just a little bit more old school without going into a bunch of detail, but I just like the earlier years. Just a personal taste thing, but I'm going to go ahead and let it go. But I have been driving it quite a bit off and on over the last couple weeks, so probably put 400 or 500 miles on it. Been driving it back and forth to work, but just kind of vetting it out, make sure everything's good to go on it. And I will say it runs and drives fantastic. This Jeep has basically zero issues. It goes down the road straight. You take your hands off the steering wheel, everything's aligned. It drives like it should. It's got 58,000 miles on it. It's bone stock. So let's take a quick walk around of it, and I'll show you the Jeep and tell you what I know about it. It was pretty clean when it came in. It come out of West Texas, or the Panhandle specifically, Amarillo area, and it was bought new there in 1999 in Lubbock, Texas, and spent its whole life out there. And the gentleman that sold it to us it basically just sat for a while, so which is why it has 58,000 miles on it. You know, for a 99, it's pretty good. Nothing major wrong with it when it came in, but it needed basically 15 years of maintenance. So we had to replace, basically this has been fully serviced. We replaced seals, changed every fluid, brake fluid, transmission, front and rear differential, transfer case, coolant, the whole oil, obviously, the whole 9 yards. And put brand new set tires on it. It has brand new BFG all-terrains, the K02s, including the spare. It essentially has zero body damage on it, no hail damage. It's never been any wrecks. It's got a few small, let's see here, if I can even find them. You'll see like little rock chips. I mean, really, there's like a little thing here, but it's just really minor, just wear and tear stuff. It looks like a 58,000 mile vehicle. So it's like I said, it's just extremely clean. It's been garage kept, so the paint on it is in fantastic condition. We just detailed it, cleaned it up, waxed it, and I thought it turned out fantastic. So the glass is all good. Everything functions as it should on this Jeep. Heat works great, AC works great, transmission shifts smooth, engine sounds great, no overheating, good oil pressure. You name it, cruise control works. I mean, it's totally turnkey. So let me show you the inside. This is a Sahara trim, so you get the side steps here, obviously, and then the fender flares are all painted, matching the vehicle. Check it out. The factory floor mats are even in immaculate condition. We'll have well over 100 pictures of this Jeep, so contact us if you want specific pictures, close-up shots of something. You can reach us at 940-808-2382, and we can email you or text you pictures. The email is johnstonmotors54@gmail.com. Once again, our phone number is 940-808-2382, and our website is johnstonmotorsales.com. So anyway, really clean Jeep, really clean history. I'll show you the driver's side. I'll start it up and pop the hood for you. It's got factory fog lights on it. They're not cracked, they function. Like I said, everything functions on the Jeep. I would not hesitate to get in this Jeep and drive it to California tomorrow. So it may not be the most comfortable ride, but it'll go there. Automatic transmission. It's a 3-speed automatic transmission in these. It's got Dana 30 in the front, Dana 35 in the rear, which is what came in, I think, on all the Saharas back then. It does have the Trac-Lok limited slip rear differential. Obviously the 4.0 242 AMC Inline Six. I'll start it up here just a sec so you can hear it. Take a look at the driver's side real quick before I started. Steering wheel is in fantastic condition. The factory radio is still in there and works, which is amazing. I just can't get over the fact that these floor mats are they're just perfect. The carpet's great. Smells good. There's no rips, tears, anything like that. The hardtop is in excellent shape. There's no, people drop them and they get cracked, and all kinds of stuff happens to these. So, and these hardtops are in this color are getting harder and harder to find. It has the Camel interior is what they called it. It's basically tan. It matches the gold, kind of goes along with the gold. The green inserts obviously on the seats. And yeah, let me start it. Walk around, take a look at this beauty. Thanks for checking us out. You can ask for me, Hunter, and yeah, call us. I can't talk today, sorry. Call us, email us, reach out to us if you have any questions about this Jeep. I'm sure there's stuff I left out, but I tried to cover all the bases on this one. So johnstonmotorsales.com, 940-808-2382. Thanks much. Have a great day, y'all.